Do you love stuffed cabbage? Then you will love this Instant Pot stuffed cabbage soup recipe. It has all of your favorite ingredients of traditional stuffed cabbage thrown together easily in the Instant Pot. The result is a big bowl of warm, tasty comfort food. Using the sauté setting in your Instant Pot, cook ground beef and breakfast sausage until fully brown. Drain any extra grease. Add in rice, diced onion, crushed tomatoes, crushed garlic, hot sauce, and beef broth. Give it a good stir and then add your chopped cabbage. Close and lock the lid and then turn on manual high pressure for 4 minutes. Natural release for 5 minutes, then quick release for any remaining time. Now this is a bowl of comfort food. It is so good. For a full recipe, hit the link in the description and visit aforkstail.com.